Hello, my name is Enno. I'm working at IHSE, a German manufacturer of KVM products. I want to introduce you today to our family of Digital KVM Matrix-Switches. And you see, we've got a whole bunch of them. Actually, we started in 2009 with this big boy, which offers you up to 160 ports to connect CPUs to consoles or workstations. As you see, you have a number of slots where you can introduce fiber components, and you have a number of slots where you can connect with copper, with Cat6 cable. So we started out with 160 ports, and we soon realized there are people who need a lot of ports more than that. So we came up with 288 ports altogether. That's lovely because you can move out those cards and you can use them in the smaller one and vice versa. So everything is interoperable between those chassis. Then we realized not everybody needs so many computers and workstations. So we came up with smaller versions with 80 ports and 48 ports, still everything modular. At the end, people said, wow, your technology is lovely, but I can't afford it. So we think about you. And we came up with an integrated version, which we call the commercial or compact switches. They have everything on board, and we started with up to 48 ports, which is a very nice size for an office or a small production site. Still, it could get smaller. So our latest and smallest baby has simply 8 ports, but still the full functionality of a 288 port switch. And the compact size is now moved up to a maximum of 80 ports, and here shortly we will introduce you the offer of fiber ports as well. That's what we have available for you. Please come and contact us on our website www.ihse.com. Thank you.